I have a spectacular deal for you today down here in Gaithersburg, Maryland. We have a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo for $180,000, which is absolutely amazing. Right here, you get an incredible view looking out over the pond to all the beautiful neighborhood we're in down here. You get this nice big patio back here, put a little coffee table out here, have your morning coffee, barbecue, whatever. Inside here though, this property's been completely redone. All new paint, new carpet, tons of little features I'm gonna show you throughout this video. You have a ton of space in here for couches, family, parties, hosting, whatever. In here, your dining room, formal dining room, beautiful new chandelier, all this crown molding, absolutely gorgeous. We head right in here to our kitchen. Some new updates in here. It's not always that you see a condo like this with underlighting under the cabinets. Love that. New fixture here. You do have washer and dryer here, which is great. You don't have to go anywhere. All that's in-house here. Now also, this is a condo. So everyone's like, oh my gosh, condo fees. Here it's $531 a month, which is a lot, but get this. You get electric, water, snow removal, all your maintenance for your HVAC, your central air. You get 2 parking spots with that. So you literally have no cost, no gas, no electric, no water, nothing. So that number is actually, I don't even know how to do that. It's absurdly cheap. My client that's selling this, he's been here for over a decade, since 2009. And he's had a great lady in here that's lived here, rented it. The rent for this, let's say you just want to buy it as an investment, about $1,700 per month for this. We are 20 miles from the center of DC, 20-minute drive to Bethesda, Rockville, super close. Look in here, all new fixtures in here, super clean, tiles beautiful, all brand new fixtures up here, new toilet, everything's so clean here. It's gorgeous, and with the new paint, it just makes this place pop. New carpet. Come over here to the primary. Lots of, I mean, you could throw a king bed in here, no problem at all. All new blinds in here too. These are brand new. New ceiling fan. Everything's been updated. But bunch of space in here. We have big walk-in closet as well for clothes. Ladies, you'll love this. New light fixture in here. Everything's perfect. This is completely turnkey. We have another closet. Oh, don't forget this one. Over here, which we have the nice, all the luxury vinyl planking. That's all new in the kitchen, new in here. More space for your closet, storage, whatever you need. As we come back out here, we have another little linen closet here for you. You have that as well. This is your utilities in here, which once again, the HOA takes care of all that. So you don't have to worry about paying some crazy maintenance costs, things breaking. If you're a professional working all the time, or you just don't want, spending a bunch of money on a huge mortgage and costs of taking care of a house, this is the place for you. I also said you get two parking spots designated. Well, there's these parking spots right here. Anything that has a P, that's where you can park. You get 2 of those. You have guest parking too. But yeah, it's a great place. If you want to get in here, come tour it right away. It's not going to last long. My name's Luke Slayball. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.